Hi everyone, welcome to Preschool Art. My name is Miss Lindsay and today we are going to make some art with marbles. So for this project you are going to need a couple of marbles, some paint, a piece of paper, and you will also need a tray of some sort. You can use the top of the lid of a shoebox, or you can use a old cereal box that you cut in half. I am just using this old cookie lid. So once you have all of that, you are going to take your marble and stick it in the paint. And roll it around in the paint a little bit. Then take your marble and roll it across the lid. This is going to get very messy. It is so much fun. Let's go ahead and get our other marbles in there. Okay. Start rolling them around. You can also try putting a piece of paper inside of an empty cereal box with the marbles and some paint and just shake it around. It's a lot of fun, trust me. Alright, so that is a very easy project, super fun. So go ahead and give that a try. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you are all staying safe and well, and we hope to see you at the library soon. Bye.